You have heard of flight and movie bookings in real time. But what if we got you the same for your restaurant? Presenting Lounging, an app that makes you available for your guests 24/7, without the hassles of unopened emails and voicemails. With Lounging you are never closed or too busy to take another booking. Diners are now at leisure to book and receive instant confirmations from restaurants at their convenient timing. Get real-time notifications about each reservation on the device that fits you best, be it your mobile phone, computer or tablet. With even just 10 reservations a day, you could collect a database of more than 3,500 contacts in a year. Lounging helps you know and analyze your clientele, making room for better targeted email and push notifications. Be it Valentine's Day, New Year's event, a special food festival, or custom birthday and anniversary offers for your clients, Lounging's push notification settings make spreading the word a matter of minutes. Be it a chill lounge or a gourmet fine dine, Lounging adjusts to your needs and pays off with the very first table booked. Looking to lead an easy restaurateur life while maintaining customer satisfaction? Free up your staff from calls and emails, and help them serve your clients better. Lounging is your go-to buddy. Have questions or want to get started? Contact us today.